This is day 3. Okay.
Okay.
And the name of the file is, headings. Okay. And paragraph. Okay. So P type. We'll name this file. Let's talk about HTML headings. HTML headings are titles or subtitles. Okay, that you want to display on the web page. All right. So for instance, if you want to give headings now, so from H1 to H6, okay. H1 is basically, like most important heading, okay. And H6, it's the least important. Okay, you got it? So between, H2 is the H1 to H6. Browsers automatically add some white space, okay, like margin before after heading. So why headings are important? Search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. Okay. Users often, scheme a page by its headings, right? Like users generally don't read the content, but just, if it is important, by taking a look at the headings, but then only decide whether or not to read the, content. So it is important to use headings to show the document structure. All right.
Sir.
So, H1, H2 tags, like main headings, less important headings, H3, H4, okay, like so on.
Okay, sir.
Let's, make bigger headings. Okay. So let's write a code for that, you know. Each HTML heading has a default size, basically. You can specify the size for any heading with the style attribute. So using the CSS font size property, how you can do that? Say style. This is inline style we are using, font size. And then you can say it's, 50 pixels. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We can say give here heading 1. Right? So you can save it and test it. So let me save this and go to the folder, okay, HTML and CSS. So, okay, let me, where is it created? In the codes folder, I think it is created. Okay, here we go. Do you have a screen?
No, sir.
See, this is our HTML file.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, you just double click this file. And this should open. Look at it. Heading 1. Okay, you can change the
Okay.
font size. Okay, you can change the font size to 100 pixel also if you wish to change. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So let's learn about paragraph tags. Okay. So paragraph, always starts with. Let me create some space here. Paragraph always starts on a new line. Okay. And it's generally, a block of text. Okay. It shows. Okay. Usually a block of text. How do you represent, with the tag? So HTML, p tag is there to define paragraph. Okay. So before and after, it adds some margin. Okay, browser automatically adds it. So let's test the code. We just say p tag and we can add content. Let's say I want to add these HTML headings are titles and all. Okay, in between these. Then I want to add one more paragraph in here. Okay. And here we can say paragraph service starts. Okay, this text we will copy and paste in here. Okay. So let's just save it and run it. Here we go. We just refresh. See paragraphs, it automatically, adds some margin between two paragraphs and, always, paragraph starts with the new line. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. And one more thing is, see, paragraph ignores the spaces. Okay, lots of spaces you are given in here. Okay, you written like on each line, multiple lines. Okay, many lines are there. Okay, you provided many spaces in here. In this case, what will be our output? So let me save this. Okay, let me rephrase this. Look at here. Okay, it's not showing multiple spaces. Okay, and not even it's showing the text on the multiple lines. It's in one line. So so it's not the way you write it in the paragraph tag. It matters. Okay, if you want spaces in here, new lines in here, you have to use ampersand and b space and okay break tag. You understand?
Sure.
Okay, let's talk about horizontal rules, HR
Can
tag.
you give an example for that, sir? Ampersand and
And B space. Okay, okay. You need, let's say, take this example. Okay. Let's say I want to break this, to new line. So what do? I use break tags. Okay. And
okay,
I want more, see, I want spaces here like block of text. Let's say new line here. I want more spaces. So NBSP. Okay. Look at here. So it will provide, spaces. See, new line, there is no space. But I copied it 4 times. That means 4 space will be there. Okay.
okay, sir.
Break time, it will show the this line. It shows usually on the new line. Okay. Let's save it and okay, let's refresh. Look at here. It is showing 4 spacing here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it?
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. HTML horizontal rules. Let's talk about that. This is HR tag. This is horizontal rules. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, so it is like often displayed as a horizontal rule. Okay. So it is used to separate content. It is used to you know separate content you know in the HTML page. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do we do that? HR tag. See, I will use the HR tag. Like here, I will copy these two texts and paste it down here. And in between, I will use a chart tag. Above, I will use a chart tag. And below also, I will use a chart tag. Let's just save it and check the browser. Okay. See, do you see one line appears, okay, on top and bottom?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a chart tag. Okay. Now you got it? It's a
Yes,
HR
sir.
tag. Basically, it is an empty tag. Means that it has no end tag. Okay, it
Okay.
has no end tag. Then there is a line break. Actually, we have seen this BR tag. Okay, so let's.
Yes,
But as for theory, we'll put it here. It's a line break. So basically, it's a BR tag. It's a line break. You don't want to. You don't want to, start a, text on the same line. Okay, then you can
okay.
use break tag. So for that, but you don't want to use, see, if you use a key tag, let me copy and paste in here, see. But I want to break this to the new line, but I don't want to copy this text and create another key tag in here, okay? Then in that case, you just use break tag. You understand?
Yes, sir.
This is also empty tag, means that it has no end tag, okay?
Okay, sir.
Has no end tag. And HR also has no end tag. All right, so let's just save it. Break tag, you know it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's say you want to, there's a paragraphs, okay? You want to break it like on multiple lines, and that will be very helpful to you, okay? Okay, so then next is pre-element, okay? It's a pre-element. Let's talk about this now. It's a pre-formatted text. What is pre-element? Pre-formatted text. Okay, it has fixed width, has fixed width, font. Okay, it reserves spaces that you provide and line breaks. Okay, let's say you have a paragraph here. Okay, let me show you here. Let's say I want to show this. Okay, so it's a poem. Do you know any poem from childhood?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Which one?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa.
Yeah, okay, it's a popular one. Johnny, Johnny. No, yes, Papa. Okay, and then
Eating sugar, no,
eating
Papa.
sugar, no, Papa. Okay, telling lies, right?
Yeah, telling lies, no, Papa.
Telling lies, no, Papa, and open
Open
your
your.
mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Yes. So look at here. I want to show this, as is on my web page. What is the problem? Is I can't see. I say this. Okay, look at here. I refresh. Okay, this appears on one line, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to keep the text, like formatted as the way you write it in the code, okay, you use pre tag. Now you don't need to put a break tag here, okay? If you give, more spaces in here, it will preserve it,
Okay, sir.
okay? It will preserve new line also. I don't need to put a break tag here, okay?
Okay,
So
sir.
let me just go to the page and refresh. Now look at it.
Yeah, same as you entered.
Same as you typed in, no?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
We don't need to use the paragraph tag if we use pre-tag, sir.
Yeah, like it will, the way you write it, it will appear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So P tag defines paragraph. HR defines line. Okay. Break. It
Right.
inserts a line break. Pre-formatted text.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That is what we have seen. Let's talk about, styles. Okay. So let's talk about styles. So HTML, styles actually it is used to styles, okay, to an element, okay. Add style, it is used to add styles to an HTML element, okay. It can be any tag, all right.
Yes, sir.
Like what styles you want to add, let's say color is there, font is there, size is there, okay, and many more are there, okay. So let's try it, okay. So how do you provide, apply the style? Generally, it can be done with the inline styling, okay? So that's called style attribute you have to use, okay? With style attribute. And the syntax will be like here tag name will be there and you have to use style and the property will be there and its a value will be there. If you want to add more properties, you provide semicolon, okay?
Sir.
You understand? So
Yes,
property
sir.
basically it's a CSS property, okay?
Okay, sir.
And value is a CSS value. Okay, so this is HTML. Tag name is HTML, but whatever you do inside style, no, it's a CSS work.
Yes, yeah.
It's
Yes,
like,
sir.
like every day you generally, don't do, like you wear nice clothes, okay, every day, but when you want to go to function, you want to attend special functions, okay, then or you want to go to interview, then what you do? Okay.
It's special class.
Yeah, you will, do whatever you want to do to look best.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like, girls generally go to the weddings, then they wear makeup in order to look more beautiful, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is, it's this style is actually, it's like it's a parlor. Okay. This style
Yeah.
is like a parlor. And this tag, actually it goes to the parlor. And this tag wants to look more beautiful on the web page. For that, we use this styling. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you understand? All right.
Yes.
So let's deal with that. So generally, we want to give properties common and its common properties. We generally set it to the parent element. Okay. So what is the parent element? We have See, we have HTML is the root element, okay? But HTML has two sections, head section and body section, okay? So body section has page content, right? Here we put our web page content, okay? Okay, whatever you want to show it to the user, okay? You put it in the body, okay? So the common like you use 100 HTML elements in here in the body. Let's say font size is fixed or font family that you want to use, okay, font name you want to use. It's a common one. Like if I try to give font name to 100 elements manually, it's going to take lots of time, right?
Yes, sir.
I can give font name in here directly, okay, like by saying font name, okay, font family, okay, and then I can select the font from in here, okay, it's a Arial, okay, Varna, cursive, okay. Answer. Let's say cursive one. Okay. We'll just try it. And you use H1 tag, no problem. It's a main heading. Okay. Then you use B tag. Cursive font family, it is applied to H1 and P1 all. Understand?
Yeah, yes, sir. Everything in the body.
Yeah, everything in the body it will apply. Okay. So
Mm.
let's use here pre tag. So let's just save it. Let's say see the code in action. See, this body, everything is now see it is changed. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is the best way to use the style
Yeah.
property to to the parent one if it's a common one if you see. Okay. All right. So what you can do then, background color properties there. Okay. Let's say I want to give the web page background color. Okay. Let's say what color I want to give. I can select it from here. Okay. It's okay. We can give deep sky blue. Okay.
Yes.
Or many color properties. Okay. We can give this one medium or child. Okay. Let's just save it and try it. If we refresh, look at it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
The background color property. Okay. You can give background color to different, two different elements also, like H1 also you can give. Okay. Like specific background. Okay. You want to give to specific element. Okay. So in that case, just write the attribute style, cursive property, background color, and I can give here a zoom. Alright, and I can just copy this. This is going to override the background property for just the H1 and H2. Okay, H1 and pre-tag. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's just save it. Look at here. You got it.
Yes, sir.
Then we can apply the text color property. Okay, so meaning what text color means? Look at here. I want to apply text color, so I will add the p tag in here. Okay, so I will add some text in there. Just want to add some random text. Okay. Okay, I want to apply text color style. Okay, I'll give text color as crimson. Okay, so let's just try it now. Save it and go to the page, refresh. See, look at here. Pre-formatted text has fixed width and it's in different color now. You see?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now font family we have seen, right? I want to change this font family for just paragraph, this paragraph, okay? Or this H1, okay? So what I will do, I'll just add one more property in here, font family, okay? And I can use this courier, okay? And semicolon, okay? There are more than two properties are there. Okay, CSS properties. So what you do, okay, you put semicolon between the two properties. Okay, use
Okay.
semicolon as a separator. You understand?
Yes, sir. Here we can use just color is enough for font color, sir, in p tag style.
Let me just check it first.
Okay.
Which one we change? We change for H1, right? Main heading.
Yes, sir.
Main heading
H.
didn't change. Okay, let me check it. Okay, we'll keep the properties on the same line. Let's see it now. Let's use different, yeah, there's something wrong in the code. Let me just share you the screen. We'll fix it now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, look at here. We are trying to add the font family, right? So we'll just delete this first. Okay. Let's keep the background color in here. We will add one field tag in here. Say this is font family. Okay, so here we add style, font family, and we'll add Arial. Okay, let's save it. Okay, here, look at here, font family, it's in Arial font. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you got it? The one which is I selected here in blue color. Okay,
Uh,
okay. So this way you can, apply any font which you like. Okay,
okay.
you can give font text size also. Okay, font text size is there. Let me add to this same one. Okay, font text size. I will increase this text size. Just after semicolon, you can say font, you know, you can get text size. Okay, there is font size.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir.
and you can make it, like 150% or 200%. Okay, in percent also you can give, in pixel format also you can give. Okay, so let me
Both are,
save this.
sir.
Let me save this and go to the page. Look at here. Now this is bigger.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can also choose the, this font style. Okay. Font size, I want to increase the font size for this p tag. Okay. What I will do, font size, and I can use large, larger, medium, small, smaller. Okay. You understand? So I will say larger. Okay. Save it. Okay. Now you do refresh it. Now, as you can see, in the font size increased. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And there is a text alignment. Okay, means like you want to center the text. Now this is heading. Okay, generally you want to put this heading at the center. Okay, what you do, you just say text align to center. Okay,
Yes, sir.
save it and go to the page. Refresh. Now you can see this is centered.
Okay, sir.
You got it.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what we have seen, okay, in this today's session we have seen, let me conclude the today's session here. This is a comment, okay, that I'm writing it in between, okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a
Come.
comment. It won't show on the web page, okay. We seen, style attribute, okay, for styling HTML elements, okay. Then we have seen the properties. What properties we have seen? We have seen color property, okay. This is for text color. Then we have seen background color property. This is, like background color for the element, okay. And then, font family we have seen for text fonts. Then we have seen font size, for text size, okay, for text
Font.
sizes, like to increase or decrease the font size, right? So text align we have seen. This is for text alignment, okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So do you have any questions in this?
Uh, in the font size, we can use like 50 px or 50%. Both are
Yes,
same.
yes, yes. No, no, no. See, in percent means what happens with like screen width, screen height, as per that resolution of the device, it will
Yeah.
decide. Browser has default font size, and as per that, 200% means double the size what is present. You know, Generally you give pixel size. What happens when the device has resolution, higher resolution. No, that 50
Yeah.
pixel is like smaller font. When any device has lower resolution, that 50 pixel means it is quite larger font.
Okay.
You understand? So if you talk about like in percent, then the web page content, it will be in proportion.
Oh,
Okay, no matter what device you use it. Okay,
okay, sir.
all right. Any doubts?
No, that's all.
Okay, you want to practice now? So I'll end this session. Okay,
Okay.
and please rejoin the session. All right,
Okay.
all right. So thank you for joining today's session. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Please rejoin the session.